In this video, I'm going to show you how to install two Facebook apps on Android. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to go to your settings. So your settings is located at the home page of your mobile device here, but you could also see it at the top drawer of your screen. So just swipe from above and just click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. And from here, you want to scroll down a bit until you see the apps setting here. So just click on that. And from here, choose dual apps. Under dual apps, you want to look for the application that you want to have the second app for. So for this example, we want to create the second Facebook app on our Android device. So just click on Facebook, and here you just want to enable the option that says dual apps. And when we enable that one, when we actually go back into our screen and look for the Facebook application, you'll see the second application here. So I have my first Facebook application here. When we go over to our here, I have my first, and when we go to the other page on my mobile phone, I have the second app here. So when we go ahead and open this one, it's gonna show the login page for Facebook, and you could just basically log in into your second account from here. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.